Ever microwave pizza and ended up with one bite lava hot, the next one freezing? Microwaves don't actually heat food evenly. They bounce around and create hot and cold spots based on how the waves interfere. That's why most microwaves have that little rotating tray. It's not just for fun. It helps move your food through those uneven energy zones. Take out the tray, you'll see crazy uneven cooking. Some spots might barely warm up, others will boil. And yes, putting certain things in a microwave can actually create plasma, like grapes or aluminum foil. Microwaves convenient, chaotic, and low-key terrifying. This is your fact overload, where everyday things get way more interesting.